Welcome to our video on 8 powerful Google tips. These tips will help you get the most out of your search and make your online experience more efficient. Eliminated unwanted results by adding a minus sign. In the example above, the results that include the word 2023 are hidden. In Chrome, Ctrl+Shift+ opens the tab you just closed. This feature has saved me so many times. Quotation marks. Put quotes around a search term to let you search exactly for that word. All results will have that word in them. For example, YouTube trends. Tilde. Use the tilde when you want synonyms to appear in the results. For example, music tilde classes. This will show you results for music classes, lessons, coaching, etc. 2 periods. Use 2 periods to search within 2 number ranges. For example, movies 1997, 1998. File type. Filter by a certain file type of your choice. This shows you only results that are in that file type. For example, occupational therapist file type PIV. Location. Get only results related to a particular location. For example, Gold Coast, Melbourne. In Chrome, Ctrl+Shift+ and opens private browsing where the history is not being tracked. This is great for buying gifts, for example. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, the more you know about how to use Google, the more you can get out of it. Happy searching!